G'day everyone, Gareth here from Foxwood Beekeeping. I'm going to be dropping a video soon. It's going to be a brood inspection on the polyhive. Looks like it might be on a little bit of an angle. So full brood inspection and super installation. You can see how recent it was because it's still smoking. But what I wanted to show you, and I just finished this video. I've even got the camera still there. It's turning off now. That's how, just turned off. But look at this. This was on top of the lid. And if you have not eaten, now you can swallow the wax, but hang on. In this case, there's more wax than there is honey. But look at this. Oh my God. You can swallow it. Look at this bit. It's so good. I probably should have saved some. None in that one. There's only a little bit in this one. Oh my God, that is so good. That was literally from that hive less than 10 minutes ago, and I got a bee. Oh, just had a bee. Honey straight from the hive. That is absolutely amazing. But there's going to be a video I'm going to download or upload, whatever you call it, very, very soon. And I actually spot the queen. So don't forget to watch that one. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Give us a big thumbs up, and I hope you enjoy the video. Take care everyone, bye.